Have you ever wondered what it takes to turn a good landlord into a great landlord? Well, let's dive into the 5 common issues that I believe make a good landlord a great one. Number 1 is clear communication. I find that this to be the most challenging one of all. It is so hard to communicate effectively with tenants. You have texting, you have emails, you have WhatsApp. There's so many different ways to communicate with a tenant. Number 2 is prompt maintenance. If, as a landlord, you fail to take care of maintenance in a timely manner, this will affect your tenants and their desire to be good tenants. Number 3 is to give tenants space and privacy. This one absolutely drives me nuts because I do see lots of landlords that believe that it is fully acceptable to do inspections of properties every month, every third month, or whenever they just feel it is what they want to do. We need to give our tenants quiet and peaceful enjoyment of their properties. Now, I'm not saying don't do inspections, because if you do see something, please act upon it. You can do drive-bys, but we need to give tenants quiet enjoyment of their property. Number 4, fair rental rate increases. Now, this one is a tough one because as in each jurisdiction is different, but in the province of Alberta, under the Residential Tenancy Act, a landlord is only permitted to raise rents 1 time per year, 365 days, and periodic or month-to-month lease. Now, there is no rent cap on rents in Alberta, but if you try to go above what market rents are, that could come back to bite you in the backside and your tenants could leave. So be fair with your rental increases. Number 5, this is the one that I struggle with every day, and it is handling conflicts between tenants and landlords, because I am the middleman between both of them. Now, as a landlord, you need to understand or attempt to understand where a tenant is coming from. Now, the other thing is I really have learned over the years not to take it personally, because there's lots of things that we don't know that is happening in the background in a landlord or a tenant's life that can affect conflict. Now, if we have conflict, make every attempt to resolve that conflict in a peaceful manner. And remember, even though we're having conflicts today, there is really a lot of chance that we can be friends still tomorrow. If you would like to turn yourself into a great landlord instead of just a good landlord, feel free, DM me and I will invite you to my Landlord Secrets community, where we join as landlords and learn how we can help each other become great landlords.